Here's what I really think about eBay and YouTube. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to do something just a little different. I just wanted to kind of give you some insight into how I run my business practices, my attitudes, and how I feel about customers. And, hopefully that'll help you in your business. I run a full-time eBay business, as you know, and now just recently I've started doing things on YouTube to help people make more money on eBay or whatever platform you happen to be selling on. But mainly I focus on eBay because that's my kind of bread and butter. Yeah, let's talk about eBay to start with. I started selling on eBay probably about June of 2002. I've been on eBay quite a while, but I didn't take it seriously as a full-time business until January of 2020, last year. That's when I really decided to do something serious and make it as a main income, because I'm a professional photographer by trade. I've been one for over 20 years. But unfortunately, because of what we're going through with the pandemic and everything, the sales just haven't been there. People have their focus on buying other things for their family. And so I decided to give eBay a shot. I started on eBay just selling, casual stuff out of my house, just like everybody else does. And then I graduated to selling Hot Wheels cars. I decided to go into a niche market. I soon began to realize that you got to have to sell a ton of cars before you can make any decent money, because most of the stuff you're pulling off the pegs at places like Walmart and Kmart and Walgreens and Fred Meyer and all those department stores for $1. People pretty much know what you're spending for them, and then maybe you could sell them for like $3 and make a couple of dollars profit. So I decided to go into postcards. Now, postcards has been a real blessing to me because I can buy those in huge lots and get the price points down to about maybe 10 to 25 cents a card. And I can sell postcards from anywhere from $5 to $50 each, depending on the quality of the card, the year it was postmarked, all that kind of good stuff. So if you're looking for something that might be very beneficial to you, give postcards a shot. That's what I've been doing with my eBay business. And now, as far as my attitude towards business in eBay, I'm just kind of like what people used to call a goody two-shoes. I'm honest to a fault, and I'm not saying these things to brag because I don't like talking about myself. I'm just trying to make a point of reference here. I just believe that there isn't enough honesty and integrity in business. But unfortunately, a lot of businesses today, and more businesses I've seen both on and offline, are just looking at it like, well, let's just see what we can get away with, and then we'll just apologize for it and move on. Who cares about the customer? Well, you really do. If you run a full-time business, whether it doesn't even have to be a full-time business, if it's a part-time business, if you want to turn it into a full-time business, you need to look at your customers like the lifeblood of your business, because without your customers, you don't have a business. You have a hobby. And return customers are always better than trying to dig up new initial customers. That's a lot easier. So if you can provide great customer service, go out of your way. With my eBay business, I am just like over the top when it comes to trying to make sure my customers are happy. We even have a statement on my eBay store that basically says we treat every customer as if they were our only customer. Now, we don't always succeed in this because you can't please everybody. God has blessed us with enough good customers that they just keep coming back, and it's just been a real blessing to our family. So I want to encourage you, if you're thinking about starting an eBay business or any kind of business, whether it's on Mercari, Poshmark, Etsy, any of these online platforms, do yourself a favor and start your business out right by making sure that you run an honest, ethical business. Because the first time that your customer sees that you've lied to them, or you've tried to rip them off, or lived by what I call the sin of omission, in other words, you did something that wasn't exactly legal, well, they're just going to get on social media and just blast you for it. And you'll, like the old saying goes, you'll never work in this town again. And I don't want to see that happen to you. So start out your business right, with really good, sound business practices, and make sure that you're doing as much as you can to make sure your customers are happy, and they'll just keep coming back to you. That's what they do with my eBay business. Now, this new thing with YouTube, let me talk about that for a minute. I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't even know if I was going to do a YouTube channel or not. I had tried it like 4 or 5 times with the photography, and it like crashed and burned. It just wasn't pretty. There just wasn't enough interest there, or I'm not sure what happened, but basically it just wasn't working. So I just kind of let it go for a while, and then I realized that if I want to really reach people and help more people with making money on eBay, then I need to get on a place like YouTube and see what I can do to help people. And if I can help you in business, if I can help you with a technique that I've learned in eBay that's helping you make more money, then I'm more than thrilled, you know, because I'm more about helping you and finding out what's more important in your life as far as how I can help you rather than benefiting me. I know that sounds weird in today's time because people have a tendency more and more these days to think about themselves before they think about anybody else. There's nothing wrong with wanting to have a full-time YouTube channel that pays you a lot of money. If that's your goal, if that's your ambition, if you want to be the next YouTube star, that's fine. It's ironic that I'm doing YouTube at all because when I was in college, I went to college for 3 years to study, of all things, professional video broadcasting. I was going to be one of those camera guys out in the field shooting news. And it just didn't work out. I spent 3 years in college, spent all that money that I'm still paying for. And I never thought I'd be involved with video ever again. But, you know, here I am on YouTube, and now I'm trying to run this channel and do the best I can with that. But I just made it a point that if I'm going to do this, to share my knowledge as far as what's benefited me on eBay and how it can help you. Anything I can do to bless your life is going to be more than enough for me. That's really what it's about. You know, if YouTube pays me for that, fine. You know, I'm not going to look a gift horse in the mouth. You know, I live by the golden rule. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. I'm not going to lie, cheat, or steal my way to success. I just won't do it. And that's just not the way I roll. If I get rewarded for that monetarily, that's great. If I don't, that's fine. You know, anything I can do to help you, that's really what it's all about. Okay? Listen, I got to go. But you guys have a great day. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.